Sometimes I want to position things exactly where I want, but I need to see what's behind it. So in this video, I'll show you how I use semi-transparency to align things by still seeing what's behind it. Hello friend, my name is Ron from cammastery.com, where you can go to learn how to make great videos with Camtasia. There are times when I'm trying to position a shape, and I want to be able to make sure that it's aligned with something behind it. Most of the time I'm doing this whenever I'm working with track mats. If you're not sure what a track mat is, you can check out that video on my channel. Let's look at an example in Camtasia. Let's say I want to put my face inside a circle. So what I'll do is I will go over to shapes, I'll choose the bold shape, and I'll grab this perfect circle. And I want to size it so that it covers my head and then just, part of my shoulders, maybe around where my collar is. To be able to see how big I want to make that, I want to make this semi-transparent. So I'll go over to the properties of this annotation, and I'll make sure I'm clicking the annotation properties tab, and I'm going to change it to semi-transparent. I'm just going to make this slightly visible. Then what I'll do to keep the shape as a circle is I'll hold down the Shift key on my keyboard while I redraw this and make it larger. So now as I make it larger, I can do that and then position that. I probably want it right around here. And now I have exactly the shape and position that I want. So with that, I can stretch this out so that it covers the entire timeline. And then I can change the opacity all the way up. And lastly, I can right click the eye to add the alpha track mat. And now my head is in that circle. If I didn't have it that way, then it would be difficult for me to know exactly where I want this circle to go if I'm too far to the left or right, too far up or down. But with it semi-transparent, I can get it exactly where I want and then bump that opacity all the way back up so that it's solid, and then I can enable the track mat.